Hi guys, welcome to Street Engineer. In this video I will explain how to charge your mobile using 12 volt lead acid battery. This is 12 volt 20Ah lead acid battery. Actually guys, we need 5 volt DC power supply to charge any mobile. So we cannot connect this battery directly with our mobile. So for that we need 12 volt DC to DC 5 volt converter to charge this mobile. So guys, I am using this DC to DC converter. If you want to buy this product, then check the description. I have given link of this website. This converter has two input wires. This red wire is for positive and black wire is for negative. Connect battery positive with red wire and battery negative with black wire. Here is the on off switch. Now take any mobile and connect with the controller through mobile charging cable. As you can see guys, my mobile is getting charged. If you want to charge your mobile using lead acid battery, then this is the best way to charge your mobile. If you have any queries, then type in comment section. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.